हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने जो कोस्टिंग के बारे में वीडियो बनाया था कि हाउ यू कैन मेंटेन और लोअर योर वैट आवर पर किलोमीटर यूजिंग कोस्टिंग. So that time the car was driven in D mode. Now let's try if we can achieve the same result in sports mode. So हमने ट्रिप ए को ज़ीरो कर दिया है एंड नाउ विल डू द सेम रन इन स्पोर्ट्स मोड. सो हियर वी गो. Same time, same road, almost same distance, and let's see what results we get. So the other day we had driven about 21 kilometers. Now let's see how we get the results in sports mode. So a speed breaker approaching. Speed controlled in another speed breaker. Right, here we go. The watt hour per kilometer has shot up to 168, 169. So again, as I told you, coasting. Take maximum benefit of the coasting, because coasting is the tool which we EV users get, and it has big advantage over the ICE vehicles. Coasting, because in coasting there's almost zero exchange of energy, as I had shown you yesterday. And now we are at the diversion which I had shown you yesterday for the National Highway 166 connecting Nagpur to Ratnagiri. So just bear with me for a few seconds. You can see the road construction going on. back on the highway. So we accelerate and touch our. So in the sports mode you get good acceleration and the car is very much peppy and fun to drive, but at expense of some battery. Anyways, let's see if we can achieve the effect which I showed you yesterday in this mode also. So the watt hour per kilometer, which was at 166, has come down to 151. We are maintaining speed around 60 kilometers. Another diversion is coming up. Passing through a small village, so cannot go more than 40. Also a speed breaker coming up. There you are. Oops. I had to apply a brake for the speed breaker this time. Anyways, happens. So we are out of that village named Kalambi. So again, get to the desired speed and coast along. तो अभी वैट आवर पर किलोमीटर 139 दिखा रहा है, जो कि 160 के पार हो गया था. सो वी हैव कंट्रोल्ड इट. पर अभी DT में कुछ इजाफा नहीं हो रहा है। देखते हैं, जैसा मैंने कल बताया था कि जब मैं इसी रोड पे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में गाड़ी चलाता हूँ तो गाड़ी की माइलेज जो है वो अपने आप इम्प्रूव हो जाती है। सो लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन गेट दैट रिजल्ट व्हेन वी गो बैक टू आवर डेस्टिनेशन। तो अभी भी थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज़ हो गया वाट आवर पर किलोमीटर, 140 दिखा रहा है। Another diversion comes up.